Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into what is arguably the single biggest headache for early stage entrepreneurs, and that is securing capital. If you've just launched a business, man, you know this scenario all too well. You've got the drive, you filed all the paperwork, but your engine? It desperately needs fuel. And without capital, your momentum just totally grinds to a halt. The source material we're breaking down today introduces this incredible concept called the 48-hour cash flow funding blueprint. It's a modern approach to business finance that just completely sidesteps those traditional agonizing roadblocks. So let's jump right in and break down exactly how this works. The bank told you that you need 2 years of tax returns, but your business needs capital today. Ugh, that is such a frustrating reality for so many new founders. I mean, you have a living, breathing business operating right now. But traditional banking systems, they demand this massive, lengthy, historical track record before they'll even let you in the door for a conversation. It's just a total mismatch. You see, the legacy system was built for a completely different era. And honestly, these sluggish demands often just end up suffocating incredible new ventures before they ever really get off the ground. It really boils down to this core conflict, the old way versus the new wave. Traditionally, massive institutions lean heavily on your personal credit from like up to 5 years ago. But think about how wild that is. Why on earth should we rely on a 5-year-old personal financial history to judge a brand new active LLC? 5 years ago, you might have been in a completely different career, right? It honestly has very little to do with whether your new venture is actively generating sales today. But the new standard? It shifts the focus entirely to real-time revenue. It's all about what your business is doing right this very second. We're talking current operations here, not the ghost of your financial past. Our sources actually describe this massive shift as the credit-free revolution. And wow, it is a truly fascinating paradigm change. Early-stage entrepreneurs are finally no longer locked out by this iron ceiling of personal FICO scores. For the first time in a really long time, the whole financial ecosystem is moving away from that static, personal underwriting. Instead, we're stepping into this new world where your business's actual real-time performance is what truly dictates your access to capital. It's a total game changer. Okay, let's dive into this. The real engine driving this entire shift is called revenue-based funding. So what is that? Essentially, it's a type of financing that prioritizes your real-time business bank activity and cash flow, putting that way above traditional personal credit scores. And let me tell you, this is becoming an absolute lifeline for new entities. Think about it. Instead of relying on some static, arbitrary 3-digit number attached to your social security number, modern financial institutions are plugging directly into the lifeblood of your business. They want to see the real story. They want to see the actual money actively moving in and out of your accounts. Now, a really key concept here is velocity capital. When you're out there running a brand new LLC, speed is literally everything. You've got to move fast to capture market share or, buy inventory or launch those crucial marketing campaigns. Traditional loans? Well, they can take weeks or even months to underwrite, which, let's be honest, is practically a lifetime in startup years. But this new wave of funding acts as velocity capital. It injects necessary funds right into your business at the speed of modern business, completely bypassing the agonizing wait times of those legacy institutions. So you might be wondering, how exactly does a modern lender evaluate a totally new business in real time? Well, our sources outline what they call the cash flow method. And this is a complete departure from the old days of demanding heavy asset collateral or massive personal guarantees. Actually, scratch that, it's not just a departure, it's a completely different universe. It's a highly analytical, incredibly data-driven look at the daily plumbing of your business. It strictly measures exactly how cash enters and exits your ecosystem on a daily basis. And this brilliantly illustrates just how logical and immediate these new approval metrics are. They're highly practical. First, they look at real-time revenue, as in, are you making sales right now? Then they check out your business bank activity. How frequently are deposits actually hitting your account? And finally, they analyze your overall cash flow health, looking at the ratio of the money coming in versus the money going out. By using highly secure integrations with your business checking accounts, these modern financial providers can analyze your current performance instantly. No more digging through old tax returns. It's totally transparent and it's based entirely on merit. So who is actually out there providing this velocity capital today? The sources point straight to modern corporate cards. Now, to really grasp this, we have to completely erase our old preconceived notions about legacy corporate credit cards. You know the ones that require huge personal guarantees and months of exhausting financial audits just to give you some tiny credit limit. No way. We are looking at a completely different breed of financial technology here, one that was designed from the ground up specifically for modern founders. To put this into a real-world perspective, modern corporate card platforms, like Ramp, which the sources specifically highlight, are really leading the charge here. They are absolutely ideal for new entities simply because they offer credit-free approvals. That's right, they don't pull your personal credit score, and they definitely don't demand 2 years of your past tax returns. Instead, they just run an algorithmic check on your cash flow health, based directly on that connected business bank account we talked about. Then, they issue capital based solely on your current, real-world activity. The really crucial takeaway here is that founders are no longer just sitting around waiting. They are going from launch to funded fast. Think about the flow. You form your LLC. You make your first few sales. You connect that bank account to a modern corporate card platform. Boom. The algorithm analyzes your revenue, verifies your cash flow, and approves you. There are no massive paper applications. There are no weeks of stressful underwriting. You get to move with absolute agility, securing the capital you desperately need to scale exactly when you actually need it. And all of that incredible velocity culminates in one brilliantly tight timeline. 48 hours. That's the magic number. According to the blueprint, a brand new LLC can literally go from launch and initial revenue to holding active working capital in just 48 hours. By stepping entirely out of the legacy banking system and plugging straight into this revenue-based revolution, that traditional wait time drops from agonizing months to mere hours. It's just phenomenal. Which brings us to a pretty provocative final question posed by our sources. Is traditional banking completely dead for new entities? I mean, when Velocity Capital can be secured in 48 hours flat, without ever once showing a personal credit score or digging up a past tax return, the appeal of those old legacy systems just plummets, doesn't it? The tools for this credit-free funding revolution are already here, so the biggest question now is just how this blueprint will continue to radically reshape the future of entrepreneurship.